Jandareview, and welcome back to another Spotlight video. So today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Keystone Cougar 33 RLI. So let's get started. So the length on this Cougar is 37 feet 5 inches. The dry weight is 8,690 pounds, and that hitch weight is 1,215. So it is very heavy.
It is heavy, even though it does say that it's a half-ton series. This is not half-ton towable. You will need at least a 3/4 ton truck for this camper. Let's highlight some things. Of course, your propane is going to go up here on the front. You'll see that it has a beautiful painted front cap. I love the accent lights here. Let's come around and show you some storage. You're going to have pass-through storage here. You see that here's your solar, and this is going to have an auto leveling system, which is really great.
Inverter.
Yes, inverters in there. Coming on down, this unit's going to have 3 slides. You're going to have 2 on this side. We'll show you this nice large storage area. This is actually going to be under your bed, so we'll show you that from the inside also. Beautiful camper. Let's go look at the campsite. We would like to say that we have been demoing this camper this weekend. We have thoroughly enjoyed it. It is a beautiful floor plan. Their finishes are just gorgeous. And you'll see we do have some items in here. This is going to be your in-command system. And you'll notice that it did have a motion sensor light there. There's part of your auto leveling system. This one has 2 awnings, nice large awnings. So let's go right inside and take a look at it. Now, like I had stated earlier, we are demoing this one this weekend, so you'll see some of our items already in here, but it also will give you an idea of what the space will look like and what it can be used for if this is something that you're interested in. Right here is going to be your pantry area. They have a nice shelf here that we've set up as a coffee bar. Storage up above. Right up here is going to be the first of 2 air conditioners. I believe those are both 15,000 BTUs. Yes. Got a pantry system right over here. Now again, we have been using this weekend, so we do have items in here, but you'll see that you can get a lot of stuff in this pantry area. It's really a great space. Coming around, this is going to have a 12-volt compressor fridge.
Yep.
Excuse our ice cream in there. Over here, your microwave is mounted up here. You've got storage on both sides.
Yep.
Your oven and 3-burner stove is going to be located here, and you've got counter space on both sides, which is great. Nice large oven. There is a drawer under that, as well as some storage on both sides.
Yep.
Yep, with our stuff in there. Let's back up and show you this island. This is going to come with a tire pressure monitoring system. You'll see that it's there. You've got some drawers down here. There's actually 4 here, which is they're a very nice size. This is going to have a nice countertop. This is not a solid surface, but it's like I think it's a sealed edge.
Sealed edge, yeah.
Membrane, so it's very pretty. You're going to have double sink here. Whoop, I'm sorry about that. This is, you can see your sink there. And we will demonstrate that you have plenty of room to put a garbage can underneath. Coming to the end of this, there is a nice little storage area down here. We just stashed our dish detergent down there, but that also holds your sink covers, so that's a really great place for that. Your entertainment center is going to be right here. I believe this is a 50-inch. And they also give you a Furrion radio and DVD player up there, storage up above. You do have an electric fireplace. It's great for some additional heat. You've got nice storage back behind it. You see that it will swivel so you can move your TV around as you need to. This radio does also have two areas, so you can do speakers inside, or you can also do speakers outside if you'd like to sit outside and listen. Here at the back of your coach, you're going to have a trifold sofa with end tables on both sides. Nice large windows, and we have absolutely enjoyed this lake view this weekend. You have your soft close roller shades. You've got storage up here above. So you have storage tucked everywhere in this Cougar, and it has been really wonderful. Coming over here, this is going to be on your campsite. Directly in front of your theaters, in front of your entertainment center is your theater seating. This is going to have heat and massage, and it has lights. Let's there, so you can see that you've got lighting underneath. These are going to pull out with a parachute pull right there. On in your slide is a freestanding table with chairs. I think there's a little bit of storage under these chairs here. Yes. Great for stashing small items that you don't want people to see. These lights in this slide will dim. I hope this is going to show up on the video, so it's really nice if you're watching a movie and you just want to turn the lights down a little bit. It's great.
Also like to point out, on the island you've got set of receptacles here.
Yes.
And right here on the end, so they're very convenient.
Yes, Keystone has done a really great job of giving you plug-ins. There's one there. You'll see that it is got the yellow sticker. You can explain that.
That's going to be part of you own a inverter, which also helps with your solar package.
With the
on this.
solar.
Yes.
You'll see that it's got USB ports up here. There's also USB ports on both sides of the trifold sofa. Very nice. Let's show you this real quick. This is going to be your in-command system, where you control your lights, your awning, your slides, you check your tanks. This can also be synced to your phone, so you can run your slides out, open your awning, everything from your phone, which is great because if you're outside, you can see exactly where it's going, and you don't have to worry about hitting anything when you put those out. Moving on into the bathroom.
Yes.
By now, most of you know Jeremy's about 6 feet tall, and you'll see that there is a skylight. It's perfectly positioned, way more than enough room in here. There's not a very big step up getting into this, so it's a really great shower. There's going to be a medicine cabinet up here with a mirror right above your sink, and there's going to be some storage down here below with our little bags tucked away in there. Over here, they do give you a towel bar right above your porcelain foot flush toilet. Your large linen closet, but you'll also see that it is prepped for a washer and dryer. A combo unit would easily fit in here. Possibly could be modified to fit a stackable, but definitely a combo unit.
Yes.
Let's move on into the master bedroom. Again, we were allowed to demo this weekend, so he'll give you an idea of how things will look with personal items in it. This is going to have a king-size bed on a slide. It does have the slow rise shades on both sides. Your windows will open for vent, and you've got storage right up there above. You'll see that there is an additional light up there. Also a light over each side. Perfect if you want to sit up and read for a little while. Your light switch is going to be over here. The little black thing Right up above the light switch is, that ties in with your temperature regulation for your air conditioning unit. Right below that, you have a USB port and an electrical plug-in. And on the other side of the bed, another USB port and another plug-in. Coming around to the foot of the bed, just when you thought you couldn't get any more storage, they give you a set of 4 cabinets right up here.
Yes.
Very, very nice. That's right above a 4-drawer dresser, but it also has a cabinet down here at the end.
Yes.
This is prepped for a second TV. This TV does not come with the unit, but you'll see that you can put it right here, or it can be mounted on the wall if you wanted to use a swing arm mount there. One of the really great things about this unit is this huge closet. Again, you'll see that we have our things in here for this weekend, so just kind of disregard that. But it is a huge closet that goes all the way down. You've got a shelf up here that goes all the way across the front of your camper. Great size closet, almost a walk-in closet if you want to do it that way. Right up here is going to be your second air. Hey, when you're in the South, this second air is very, very important. So,
and very impressed with the ducking system here.
Yes.
That Keystone has. This dude will just put out the air.
Yeah, they don't come just straight out. You'll see they've got a little swirl pattern to them. So I think that helps circulate things around really well. So that gives you an idea of how the bedroom can be set up. We'll go right back down. Okay.
So I hope you enjoyed this spotlight video on this 33 RLI. And like I said, a big thanks to H RVs for allowing us to take this and demo this and just absolutely just show it. It is a very, very gorgeous unit. And if you like this Keystone Cougar 33 RLI, just go ahead and go by H RVs. That's in Haleyville, Alabama, and tell them you saw this on this video. And I don't know if there'd be a discount involved, but go by there and see. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe and follow along with us. Thanks, everybody.